Let's make some pizza. Let's make 5 pieces. Need some salami. We need some mozzarella, the one that's mini. We need bell peppers. We need pizza sauce. We need some red onions, and we need some green, olives and green black olives. And we need some crispy for pizza bases. And we have some salami, and we need a tray. We need to put some pizza bread. And then put some pizza sauce. Circle the pizza sauce. Circle, let's go squeak. Do 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 do. Circle, circling today. Put some olives first.
Okay.
And turn it all around. And we can put some green bell peppers first. And red ones, and yellows, and greens. Red, yellow, yellows. Put some onion. I scrambled everything around. Before we're gonna put the salami, let's put the cheese first. Oops, it done. Mom, did we make pizza a lot of times? How much? We have a little bit left. Let's put some salami. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Then let's put this in the oven. Can I wash my hands again because of the salami? This in the oven. Yes?
Yeah. You can take the tray now and put it.
It's not complete. Be careful, Mommy, it's hot. But you have gloves. Can you
Don't touch it, it's hot.
Not that hot for me. Let's eat. Wait. It's hot.
It's not pizza. You're silly.
Let's eat Pizza Hut.
Okay, you sit down now.
Let's sit. Everyone.
You take now. You want Mommy to help you?
No.
No, po.
No po. I just did. What? Thank. I cut it. Look what I did. I cut the. Mom, did you know? Oh, pizza is full of cheese.
Yes, po.
those, the ketchup, can I put more ketchup?
Yes po.
Mm.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Guess who's the BTS member? Who's the only one BTS member who always drink milk?
Oh,
Jungkook.
really?
Yeah. It's fresh milk.
He loves fresh milk.
Yeah. He always drink that. That's why. Good. But I rated infinity out of 10. Is that so much?